Hey, welcome to Easol House. I'm Lisa.
Hey, and I'm Ben.
We're in Hackney, London. I'm going to show you around. And so we call this our Easol House. So we really wanted to create a space for our team that felt really warm and calm and inviting, where they could come to every day, and it was a space where they felt really inspired to do their best work. I had a vision of having this bar area where everybody would come together and get to know each other and spend time together, and it was a space where they could kind of go and have a break in between their meetings, and I really love this part of the office. I can't not mention one of the most recent additions to Easol House, the White Eagle, our pride and joy. Coffee is life at Easol and a really important part of any startup's journey. So we started out, and this was the original coffee source at Easol, very basic setup here. And then each milestone that we've hit as a company, we've celebrated together by upgrading our coffee setup. So this was a most recent team celebration, and it's definitely a highlight of the office. So this is the bunker, and it's the very beginning of the Easol journey. So this was named after the very first office when we had the idea for the Easol. It was a very dark space in a basement with no windows and no water, but we always had lamps, and lamps have been a theme, and the lighting has been a really important theme and a feature for all our offices. So there's always good cozy lighting, even in the bunker. So we're going to Morocco, down into the Sahara Desert. So this room is named after a place that is very special to myself and Ben and Easol. So Ben and I actually were married in Morocco, and the very first experience that was sold on Easol was our own. It was an adventure travel party down into the Sahara Desert. So you would start off, meet in Marrakesh, and all travel down in 4x4s in convoy to the Sahara Desert for a party. And it was a very quick and fast way for us to learn about all the problems that we needed to solve for experienced creators. And it was also a very amazing experience, and hope to bring it back one day. So we are now in Silicon Valley, San Francisco. We were lucky enough to be backed by Y Combinator, which is an accelerator for early stage startup companies. And you apply to be in a program, and you go and spend 3 months out in Silicon Valley, and you do nothing but work on your business. No distractions, no socializing, just really kind of figure out how to build product, how to communicate the problem you're solving. And for us, it was a really pivotal time for Easol. It was our founding team out in Silicon Valley. We actually spent most of the time in a garage. It was a really special time for us as a founding team. We spent every day together, living and working together, and it really set Easol upon the path to success. So this is a code cave. When we found this space, there was wires coming off the ceiling and everything, and I was like, all right, this has to be the room for the engineers to pair. So let's make it into a quirky little code cave. So it's really nice when I see people coming together and pairing this room, because it feels like it's kind of really nice and calm space where they can do that. I really loved the idea of being able to have an office where you had different levels. This really appealed to me. It felt very much like a New York loft, So yeah, love that we can kind of create that vibe in the office. Yeah, it's kind of where I come to do some creative work, have some thinking time. So we just got this space recently. It's our new Experience Creators Studio. So we designed it taking a lot of inspiration from artist studios. The name Easol actually comes from the concept of an artist easel, because we believe that creating experiences is an art form. An easel is a canvas or platform that powers creators to create and sell their experiences or their art. And we've hosted some really great events for our creator community and the team here already, and it's working super well as a flexible and inspiring space. So we're in one of my favourite spaces at Easol House. Before we moved in, this was a very different room. There was red carpet on the floor and very dark grey walls. And we wanted to transform the space, taking inspiration from a location that is very special to Easol. So before we started Easol, Ben and I and our co-founder Will, who is actually working from Easol today, he's right over there, started a snow sports music festival called Rise, which is a week of adventure snow sports set in the French Alps town, beautiful town in the mountains. And at the festival, we hosted these what are now legendary parties, secret parties on the top of the mountain. So you'd have to find your way at night with a head torch up to the top of the mountain for a party. And the name of the hut where we hosted the party was called Kanata. All right, that completes the tour of our Easol House. Thanks for watching and come and see us soon. Bye.